So in order to do this jumper test, we're going to shut the power off and we're going to disconnect the 16-pin Molex from the control board itself. Now, this blue wire here, that goes to pin number 1, and the orange wire is pin number 9. So on the blue side, it's 1 to 8. On the orange side, it's 9 to 16. Now I'm going to take a little piece of thermostat wire. I have a little bare spot that I put in there so I can attach alligator clips to it. And what we want to do is we want to go from pin 1, which is where that blue wire is, to pin 3. Then I'm going to take another jumper, same thing, and I'm going to jumper between pins 15 and 12. Now, it's very important you get the right pins. It's very easy to fry the module if you don't get this right. Now, the pins 1 and 3, that is common. So I'm going to take an alligator clip, put it on that jumper, and I'm going to connect that to the common terminal on the control board. Now, this other jumper, that is going to be for 24 volts. So I'm going to put my alligator clip on there and go directly to the R terminal on the control board. So now I have everything set up. I should be able to turn my power back on and the motor should start. And there you go.